Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Tech. In this video, we're talking about something small but incredibly fast and powerful, the Coreless motor. A Coreless motor is a type of DC motor, but it's unlike the traditional motors you might be familiar with. Then what's the key difference? It doesn't have an iron core in its rotor. Instead, the windings of the rotor are crafted in a honeycomb-like pattern or wound into a cylinder, allowing it to operate without the heavy iron structure. This drastically reduces the inertia, allowing the rotor to accelerate and decelerate almost instantly. Traditional motors often experience cogging, a kind of resistance caused by the interaction between the iron core and the magnetic field. When current flows through the rotor windings, it generates a magnetic field. This field interacts with the permanent magnets in the stator, causing the rotor to spin. Coreless motors eliminate this issue, resulting in smoother, faster, and more efficient operation. Coreless motors offer several advantages, including being lightweight and compact, making them ideal for small devices. They deliver high speed and responsiveness with smooth, jerk-free motion due to the absence of cogging. These motors are highly efficient, consuming less energy while providing excellent performance, and their design ensures low heat retention for cooler operation. This makes them perfect for precision applications like drones, robotics, and medical devices.